Hey guys, it's me again, and today I'll be showing you that a new show is coming to Disney Junior. Sorry about the train noise in the background. I got a train station, but I'm not outside though. I'm inside though. Okay, but here's the new show is coming, and it's by the same animation studio who made Puppy Dog Pals, and it's called The Chicken Squad. Yep. This show will be coming in May 14, 2021. I'm just showing you this picture that it's coming. Yep. And so I believe the show's about a chicken squad and it's about to maybe rescue people or something like Puppy Dog Pals. I don't even know. I'll maybe watch the first episode when it comes out. Yeah. So it's gonna be airing on Disney Junior. Wait, I just said that. And it's coming in May 14, 2021. Yeah. So yeah, and it's by a book series. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you this release because they'll be releasing the trailer soon on Disney Junior. But yeah. Anyways, that's all I gotta say. If you want more videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.